I swear. Throw it. Bro. Sectionals. Trying sectionals. Sectionals. Trying sectionals. Make a catch. Gotta make a catch. Chase the ball. Never drop it, no. Gloves on. Screw it, gloves off. Gloves on. Screw it, gloves off. Sectionals. Trying sectionals. Chase the ball. Never drop it, no. Two backs. Trying to play it safe. Getting burnt. Looking like they start to shake. In the corner. I'm wide open. Always watching stairs so fast his feet is smoking. He's blazing. Looking like he's saying. Zoom round by them. Yeah, that was my aim. Catching it. I cannot retain. Looking at me. Now you are ashamed. No games. Really no games. You're too weak. So many shames. Pass. Risky but it's for the win. Speed it up. Bring it down like Harrison. Sectionals. Try sectionals. Sectionals. Try sectionals. Make the catch. Gotta make the catch. Chase the ball. Never drop it, no. Gloves on. Screw it. Gloves off. Gloves on. Screw it. Gloves off. Sectionals. Try sectionals. Chase the ball. Never drop it, no. Right before the game, I get super pumped. Watch me dead. I will not stop. He come and go. Drink that H2O. That's not me. I will never leave. I stay true. Call up the head coach. Track, we will win the whole thing. This means everything, more than anything. So many tricks. Why don't you pick up sticks? Halftime session and let's start the game. Switch sides, same thing still apply. Really no play, really no freaking play. You wanna stay, you know we always stay. Take the win, we know about the dough. You lose, we win. Make your mind a little bug. Sectionals, try sectionals. Sectionals, try sectionals. Make the catch, gotta make the catch. Chase the ball, never drop it, no. Gloves on, screw gloves off. Gloves on, screw gloves off. Sectionals, try sectionals. Chase the ball.